Imagine a world without tomatoes. No pizza sauce. No ketchup.
No spaghetti sauce. No fresh salads bursting with color. Today, tomatoes are among the most widely consumed foods on Earth. Every year, hundreds of millions of tons of tomatoes are harvested.
Around the globe, from small backyard gardens to massive commercial farms. Tomatoes have become an essential ingredient in countless cuisines.
But have you ever wondered how a tiny tomato seed becomes the bright red fruit?
Today, we will follow the incredible journey of the tomato. From a tiny seed planted in the soil to one of the world's most beloved foods.
This is the incredible story of the tomato.
Every tomato begins as a tiny seed. These seeds are carefully selected by farmers for healthy, productive plants. The seeds are planted in nursery trays filled with nutrient-rich soil. Warm temperatures and moisture help awaken the seed. Soon, the outer shell softens. A tiny root emerges. Then, a small green shoot pushes toward the sunlight. Within days, first leaves appear. The young tomato plant begins its journey. Fragile at first, it carries the potential to produce dozens of fruits. After several weeks, the seedlings are ready for transplanting.
Farmers prepare the fields by loosening the soil and adding nutrients. The young plants are carefully moved from the nursery into rows. Each plant is given enough space to grow.
As the roots spread into the ground, the tomato plant develops rapidly.
Sunlight powers photosynthesis. Water carries nutrients through the stems.
Every day, the plants grow taller and stronger.
The field slowly transforms into a sea of green.
Tomato plants grow quickly. Their stems become thicker. Their leaves expand. Some varieties remain compact. Others climb several meters high with support.
Farmers carefully monitor the plants. They provide irrigation during dry periods.
Protect against pests. Remove diseased leaves. Healthy plants produce better fruit. Every stage requires attention and care. The future harvest depends on it.
After weeks of growth, yellow flowers begin appearing on the plants. These small flowers hold the key to the tomato's future.
Each flower has the potential to become a fruit. Bees and wind help transfer pollen. Pollination takes place. The flower begins changing. Its petals eventually fall away.
Behind them, a tiny green tomato starts to form.
A new generation of fruit has begun.
the tiny green tomatoes grow larger every day. Inside, thousands of cells divide and expand. The fruit fills with water, nutrients, and natural sugars. The plant directs energy toward developing healthy fruit. Weeks pass, tomatoes continue growing. Some become small cherry tomatoes. Others grow into large beefsteak varieties. The field is filled with clusters of green fruit, waiting for the next stage. One of the most exciting stages is ripening. The tomatoes begin changing color. Green pigments slowly disappear. Bright red pigments, called lycopene, develop.
Some varieties turn yellow, orange, or even purple.
The fruit becomes softer and sweeter. Its flavor reaches its peak.
The once green field now shines with vibrant colors.
Harvest season is approaching. The tomatoes are nearly ready.
Harvesting tomatoes requires perfect timing. Picked too early, flavor may not fully develop.
If picked too late, the fruit may spoil.
Workers carefully collect ripe tomatoes by hand. In large commercial operations, harvesting machines assist with the process. The tomatoes are sorted immediately. Only the best fruits continue.
The journey from seed to harvest is complete.
But the journey to consumers is only beginning. Freshly harvested tomatoes arrive at processing centers, washed and cleaned. Advanced machines sort them by size, color, and quality.
Some tomatoes are packaged fresh for supermarkets.
Others are destined for factories. The fruit is carefully packed into boxes. Refrigerated trucks help preserve freshness during transportation. Every tomato is prepared for its final destination. Tomatoes are among the most versatile foods on Earth. Fresh tomatoes are used in salads and sandwiches.
Others are processed into ketchup, tomato paste, and pizza sauce.
Also pasta sauce, tomato juice, and canned tomatoes.
Around the world, billions of meals depend on tomato products.
A single crop supports countless recipes and food industries.
The humble tomato has become a global culinary superstar.
Tomatoes are more than delicious. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and nutrients. Lycopene, the compound responsible for the red color, is associated with health benefits.
Farmers across the world grow tomatoes in diverse climates: greenhouses, open fields.
Hydroponic systems. The crop continues feeding and nourishing millions of people every day. Remember the journey: seed to fruit, green to red, harvested with care. A global culinary superstar.